it's me Ashley, and this week on Keeping Up with Directioners is review week. I had no ideas for this week, but I figured out that I'm going to be reviewing the 5 Sauce EP, so let's get right into it. So this is what the EP looks like. It comes in this case, and I love the front. I love the colors. I love this picture of the guys. I just love the entire look of it, and it's just super, super nice. So then I think I got a defective one because it doesn't open. So I'm just going to take out the cover. So on the back it just has the titles of all the songs with their own like little art, which I love. Like, I find that very original. So the EP has She Looks So Perfect, Heartache on the Big Screen, The Only Reason, and Disconnected. And then it says like who collaborated on each song and who's all the members of the band and all that stuff. So yeah, and then on this little part it also says like the songs. It's actually this way, but yeah, you probably can't see. And then the EP also comes with these stickers, which I love. Higher Hay Records, 5 Sauce at the Smile, I'm So Down. They're like logoed, and then yeah, it says Derping since 2011, and then there's like this cool mixtape. I love them so much that I don't want to like stick them on anything because I just want to keep them all together. And then this is the CD, which is actually my favorite part. I found a black CD is super cool, and then the yellow is such a great contrast with it. Right now I'm just judging on looks, but it also says like the 4 songs down there. I don't know if you could see. You probably have the CD already, but yeah. So as for the songs, everything is so perfect. I literally love every song. If I had to choose a favorite one, I think it'd be Heartache on the Big Screen, but I love all of them, and I just think the boys did such a great job with this EP, and I can't wait to hear the whole album. Like, if I had to give it a rate on 10, it would be a 10 on 10. And yeah, I suggest you go out and buy it. It's like $5. I'm a little upset because I did order the EP from their online store, and I never got it. They only sent me the poster, so I had to go out and buy it again at the store. But other than that, I'm just super impressed, and I'm so excited for the boys, and I can't wait to see them this summer when they open up for One Direction. And yeah, I love you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Sorry this video is super uneventful. And I don't know why no one's uploading this week, but yeah, I'm here. So I'll see you guys next week. Bye!